Welcome to Restaurant Igniv Bad Ragaz. We are here in our Restaurant Igniv. That's a fine dining sharing restaurant of Andreas Caminada, and Igniv is standing in Red Romania for Nest, where the birds are living, and that's why we have here our little concept with the birds, with the plates with the birds in our restaurant, and our logo as well. You see, like here, it means outside the nest and inside the egg, which you normally try in our small starters. And then we were thinking about what we can do in our restaurant, and we thought the bird is bringing the worm into the middle of the nest and then they pick out. That's what we're doing here with our concept. It means you get an empty plate in front of you and many different dishes in the middle of the table, and then you pick out of the middle. Here's our small candy bar. That's for takeaway or also for free in this for your coffee, but we are serving a lot of food, and that's why we're thinking about what we can do in our restaurant with the free in this. And we get our candy bar. There we have some different fruit jellies, different hazelnuts, dried grapes, almonds, like chocolate cakes, canapés, as well as different pralines. And then we make a little mix, or you can choose. Here we have our praline, which is filled with cassis. That one is with amaretto, hazelnuts. This one is with granola, passion fruit, raspberry, as well as cherry. Here we have different macarons. This one is with white chocolate, and this one is with a cream of cassis filled. A little madeleine, different hazelnuts. This one is with chocolate, with coffee, with dark chocolate, with passion fruit, vanilla, salty caramel, and these are our almonds with raspberry, chocolate, as well as chocolate. Here we have different marshmallows. Here we have the marshmallows with passion fruit, as well as different jellies, like here. This one is with apricot. This one is peach. Different fruits from like passion fruit as well as apricot. Here we have this jelly with cassis, Coca-Cola, a little bit with apricot as well as coconut, and some sweet apple like here. Here we have our chocolate brownie, as well as also our cake of dried fruits. Some cookies as well as cantucci with pistache and normal cantucci, and a little bit of different chocolates of Switzerland. White chocolate, dark chocolate, as well as ruby chocolate. Enjoy our sweets if you're coming to here, to our Igniv Bad Ragaz.